Before we get too far into understanding how to use a Smart Notebook software, we need to have a system in place to manage and organize our files that we create in the Smart Notebook software. To do this, I'm going to show you how to create some folders and make some organization systems within Vol 1. To do this, there's a couple different ways you can get to Vol 1. You can go to My Computer. From there, you can do Vol 1 if you would like that direction. Also, on all of our desktop computers here, you have this little folder icon down the bottom. It's just a shortcut to get to Vol 1. First thing you're going to want to do is open up Vol 1. You're going to want to use your user account. So go to Users, Teachers, find your name. Go ahead and open up your name. From here, what you're going to do, you can see I have a bunch of stuff already created. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to want to do a File, New Folder. Again, that was File. Oops, let me get rid of that. File, New Folder, and it'll already go ahead and establish it. Now you can see down here it says New Folder. Initially, when you create a new folder, and I'll do it again, File, New Folder, you can see that it is not named. At this point, you can see it's blue and highlighted. You can go ahead and type in the name that you want at this point. If for some reason you click and you need to get it so that it actually has a name, what you're going to do is you can right-click on it and click Rename. For this example, I'm just going to use the word Smart, and this is where I'm going to put all my Smartboard files. To get rid of a folder, you can highlight it and press a delete key, or you can just right-click and hit delete. Once you have a folder established for all your Smart Notebook files, another good idea would be to start putting in subject areas. To do this, I'm going to double-click on Smart. Now you can see I don't have anything in here yet, but what I want to do is I want to go ahead and establish some folders. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to create another folder. Again, that was done by File, New Folder. I'm going to title this one Math. This is going to be where I put all of my notebook files for math. I can repeat the same process and do it again for any reading. Same thing with science and so on. Now to go a step further and make it a little bit more organized, I'm going to go in Math. And then what I want to do is I want to create a File, New Folder. This one is going to be called Unit 1. And then I'm going to keep repeating this same process. Unit 2, all the way through all of my different units that I have in math. What this will allow me to do then is if I want to go to Vol 1 in Users, find my teacher account, find my Smart folder that I created, and open it, you can see now that I have my two folders. I can open up my Math and Unit 1. Again, this is how you can go about establishing some folders on your computer hard drive or on Vol 1, or if you want to do the same process on a flash drive, that's great. But you just need to have some system in place that way you can kind of organize your files that you're going to be creating, that we can use them year after year.